Yeah, hi. In this video, we will see how to create AWS account. Actually, I have already created my account and logged in here. You can see, and I have some screenshot. I'll show you. Uh, from here, you can see. Okay, there are few steps, like five, six steps are there to create AWS account. First one, uh, you can see here, sign up for AWS. There are two fields. First one is your email address, and second one is account name. And this email address should be your actual one. It should not be a dummy one because you will get this verification code. Okay, once you enter your email ID and account name, then click on verify email address, and you will get one verification code that you have to enter. Okay, once you enter your verification code, you will come to this page. This sign up for AWS contact informations. Okay, there are two options. One is for business, second one is for personal. Okay, and if you are creating this accounts for yourself, then please select only the personal and then enter all the details. Okay, all fields are mandatory, and select this region code as well. Okay, and once you enter all details, then select this agreement terms. Okay, and then click on continue, and once you enter all details, then you will come to this page. Here billing informations. For billing information, what you need to enter, you need to enter your credit and debit card number, and don't worry, it won't deduct anything. So initially it will deduct around $1 USD. Okay, because I am in India, so it's deduct 2 rupees I think only, and it's refunded in 3 to 5 days. Okay, and once you enter all your details, uh, then click on verify and continue, and you will get the OTP, okay, to your mobile number, and then you have to enter the OTP and click on submit. And here you have to confirm your identity. You can see here, you can see how should we send you the verification code. If you want to get the verification code through text message, okay, then select this. Otherwise, uh, click on this voice call. Okay, then you have to select your region and then enter the mobile number and click on this send SMS. Okay, you will get mm, the verification code that you have to enter. Okay, once you enter the verification codes, you will come to this page, and here you have to select like basic support, developer support, and business support. Because we are doing for ourselves, so just select the basic supports, it's free. Okay, and then click on complete sign up. Once you click on complete sign up, you will come here on this page, this console home page. What you will see, the recently visited services. You can see here, I visited the route 53 IAM cloud shell services and etc. And the other things you can see here, AWS health, you can see the cost and usage also, you can see the trusted advisor as well, you can see, and the other things also you can see here. Okay, and yeah, if you want to see the services, just click on it, left side services. Okay, here you can see the recently visited services. Okay, it's list out all the services which you visited recently. Okay, and the favorite one also you can see, then all services also you can see here. Okay, it's list out all the services. Okay, otherwise if you want to click on compute, like you will see only these services here. Okay, let's this one is the search bar. uh, you can type whatever the services you want to find, and once you type, like I type here route 53, you can see here it's found four services related to route 53. It's kind of matching, and here you can see the features, 14 features are there, and the blog, you can see the documentation, etc. Okay, let's search this and click on this route 53. Here you can see this here the region is global. For few of the services it's global. That means the dashboard console it's same for uh, all the regions. Okay, and it's only for the few of the services, not for all the services. If you will search like for EC2 instance, okay, and in that case the dashboard will be different region wise. You'll see here because I'm nearby in Mumbai, so I selected Mumbai. If you will select any other regions, then whatever the regions you're nearby, you can select. Okay, and it might be differ, and it's not required to be in that particular region. Okay, then you can select only the nearby region. That's it. And here you can find some informations, the global infrastructure. Let's see, AWS regional services, and the region wise we can list out all the services. In here you will see, uh, see in Mumbai what services AWS supporting. You can see here, and if you select other regions, okay, and what about the services it's supporting, it will list out all the services here. Yeah, that's it in this video. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.